Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Framer Motion in ReactJS. To begin, you will need to install the Framer Motion library into your project using either npm or yarn. Once installed, simply import the motion component from the library. Then, wrap any standard HTML or SVG element, like a div or a button, with this motion component. This simple step transforms your static elements into powerful, animatable components, ready for dynamic interactions and visual flair. Now, let's dive into basic animations. You can define the starting point of an animation using the initial prop, for example, setting opacity to 0. Then, specify the final state with the animate prop, perhaps setting opacity to 1, and moving the element by 50 pixels on the x-axis. Framer Motion handles the smooth transition between these states automatically. You can also fine-tune the animation's duration, perhaps to 500 milliseconds, and its easing curve using the transition prop for precise control. Beyond basic entry animations, Framer Motion excels at interactive gestures. You can easily add while hover to make an element scale up when a user hovers over it, or use while tap for a subtle press effect. For more complex or reusable animation patterns, define variants. These are named animation states, like hidden or visible, which you can then apply to your initial, animate, and gesture props. This approach keeps your animation logic organized and highly maintainable across your application. Finally, let's explore orchestrating animations and handling components leaving the screen. Wrap components that might be added or removed from the DOM with animate presence to enable exit animations. Inside, define an exit prop on your motion component to specify its animation as it disappears. For parent-child animation sequences, use stagger children to delay each child's animation by a set amount, like 100 milliseconds, creating a beautiful, cascading effect. This allows for sophisticated and synchronized motion across multiple elements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.